Hey there. So we're going to get started. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of your Wix dashboard. And then also in this section, I'm going to go into a little bit more detail into the areas that you need to know about in this dashboard. So first, I wanted to point out, I know that some of you are not familiar with Wix. So anytime you use a new platform, just understand that, of course, there's a learning curve. You're going to get on here and you're going to be like, oh my gosh, it's so overwhelming. But that's what this course is for. I'm going to really help to simplify everything and again, kind of show you what you need to know. So, this is your kind of control center. This is where everything happens in the back end of your Wix website. So, let's just go ahead and go through. Now, the very first thing I want to show you, if you do have a Wix website and you have accepted the invite to one of our templates or another site, it's going to be here on the drop down with your multiple sites. If this is a brand new site to you, you're new to Wix, then that should be the only site in your dashboard. Right here is going to be the button where you can edit your site. We're going to get into that in another section when we get into editing your actual website. And right here are just some quick site actions. And then right here, this is really handy, your search bar. So if you're ever can't find something that I've pointed out here, you can always add that into the search bar and it should bring it up for you. So here, Wix gives you kind of a handy little setup guide. You can use that if you'd like. And we'll go through a lot of these again in different areas of this video. So right up here again, before we start, I am showing you this dashboard on one of my templates. So this is going to be a free plan. So when you're ready to upgrade your plans on Wix, you just click in here to compare plans and it's going to bring up your plans here. And you can see typically this business is going to be all that you'll ever need. Some of you might not even need this much, but you can kind of go through here and see what the plan features are. But this is going to allow you to accept payments, to take bookings, do a lot of the functionality that Wix has available. So you can look through those and see which one works for you. I do want to point out that if you're not sure, just start with one of the lower plans, whatever you think will work. Wix is really great about telling you if you don't have the functionality to do that with your current plan. So if you do the light, for instance, and you try to do something that's not included in that plan, Wix will just prompt you to upgrade and then you can do so at that time. Come back here, connect a domain. So after you upgrade to a Wix premium plan, then you can connect your custom domain, either buy a brand new one through Wix, or if you have a current domain, then you can switch it over to Wix. Either whether it's on the Wix platform or on another platform, you can switch any domain URL to Wix with your new website. So here, this site's going to, of course, not have any activity because it's one of the template sites, but this is going to where you're going to be able to come and see some of the activity, who's coming to your site. And I'm going to show you there's a little bit more detailed section. You can find out these analytics as well. Your site and app, these are going to be just kind of some of your website settings right here. You can view the live site, you can check your site speed. Of course, again, this one doesn't have enough traffic yet because this is one of my templates. We're going to go into this in another video, your booking services. A lot of the templates that we have set up, I've set up the booking services for you. So again, we're going to go into that in a little bit more detail in other sections of this course. Same thing with your booking calendar. Same thing with your orders, gift cards. Those are going to all be through your e-commerce if you've got a shop on your site, and I am going to show you how to add a shop again in this course. Your blog, this is where you can come in and see an overview of your blog, and again, we're going to go into that in more detail. In this video, I really just want to show you where everything's at, and of course, you can come through here and explore as well. Your pricing plans, so again, some of the sites I've set up already with some memberships or pricing plans for you to make it easy for you. And then subscriptions, this is going to be where clients who have memberships or subscriptions are going to show up, and you're going to be able to see if they're active, if they haven't paid, kind of what's going on with those current members and subscribers. Wix has a really cool loyalty program. This is new and this is amazing point of sale. So any of you that have a brick and mortar store and want to use their point of sale, it's wonderful. I've referred many people to the point of sale and they absolutely love it. Right here, again, we're going to go into this in a little while, but this is your complete CRM system. This is all where all of your contacts are going to be. Again, there's only a few demo contacts in here, but I'm going to go into that in a little bit more and show you how that works. These are some of the kind of advanced features any of you that use like a HoneyBook or a 17 Hats may be familiar with workflows. So Wix has workflows integrated that can really help you to systematize and automate your business. Tasks and reminders, and you can use these with your workflows. This is really great if you get into the habit of using this. You can come in here and create tasks and never forget when you've got something to do, you can attach that to a contact. So that's really cool too. Right here, your communications, that's going to be your inbox, your chat. Um, Wix has the functionality of you to be able to set up a business phone number, which is really cool. And then also, of course, a business email through Gmail you can set up through Wix. So that is your inbox, your communications. Automations, again, I'm going to not go into that a whole lot in this course because this is kind of an advanced feature. But this would be for you to be able to send out, say, automated emails. Let's say someone sends out or fills out a contact form on your site, then you can send them an automated email. Thanks so much for reaching out. There's a lot of things you can do with these automations. And again, if I don't cover it in this course, I am planning on doing another course all about workflows and automations. This is really cool. Marketing and SEO. Wix has a ton of functionality to help you market your business. I'm going to go into this SEO in a little bit. Again, email marketing. That's where you can send out email blasts to all of your subscribers. And again, I encourage you to come through here and really look at all Wix has to offer. It's pretty cool. Right here, again, we're not going to have a whole lot of info in this site, but once your site is up and running and you've got a lot of traffic, Wix has a lot of functionality to be able to see your traffic overview, sales, marketing, really see what people are doing on your site so you can be super proactive with your business and with your marketing. Billing and payments, again, Wix has functionality to be able to accept payments, do price quotes, invoices, recurring invoices. That's really cool. I use that a lot with my custom web design. Let's say you've got a higher ticket item, you can opt to do payments for your clients and they will pay you the first payment and then Wix will automatically bill them at whatever interval you set on that recurring invoice. So that's really cool. This is brand new, so I'll be honest with you, it's super new, so I need to look into this a little bit more, but it looks like now they've got the functionality where you can book and integrate through your Wix website through Facebook, Instagram, and with Google, which is pretty cool. And then we've got this app market. I'm going to go into settings in a second. App market. So again, whatever functionality Wix doesn't have, which they've got a ton, they've got a huge app market. So anything that you want to be able to do with your site, you can come through here and kind of look and see just tons of things you can integrate again to help you run and systematize and automate and market your business. So the final thing I'm going to show you in this video is your settings, and then we're going to go into that in the next video. So again, I know a lot of this probably looks very overwhelming when you're first starting out, but I again encourage you to just kind of go through here and peek around and see what you've got going on here. But I'm going to leave this video at this point because in the next video, I am going to go into some of these settings and primarily the settings that you really need to be most focused on when you first get your template and right before you're ready to launch or right after you launch your site. You want to make sure some of these settings are set up. So we're going to go ahead and go into that now in the next video.